Literally yesterday, Sam Altman just made one of the biggest AI announcements in the history of AI that's going to change the way that people make money in the next 12 months to forever. And nobody's talking about the money angle of it. Everyone's reporting the news. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a millionaire, literally to set yourself up to become a millionaire from this type of technology. So what happened? The creator of OpenClaw, which is the fastest growing AI project in the history of AI, just joined forces with Sam Altman and OpenAI. What does this mean? This means that AI agents, which is OpenClaw, is about to be exposed to the entire world. The tidal wave is coming. The water is receding. If you're watching this video, you're early. If you're watching this video, you are ahead of 99.999% of the world who doesn't know that this technology exists. Let me break down exactly what's happening, why it's important to you, and 3 powerful ways to start making money with it today. So in case you don't know what OpenClaw is an AI agent. Now, it's not a chatbot. It's not like ChatGPT. It's an autonomous AI agent that works by itself. It does work proactively for you. It basically replaces an entire company worth of employees. It manages calendars. It browses the web for you. It checks your emails. It negotiates. It checks the weather. It creates applications for you while you sleep. Anything that a human can do on a computer, OpenClaw can do it 1,000 times better and basically for free. It was created by Peter Steinberger, who is an Austrian developer. He launched it a few months ago and it went absolutely nuclear on GitHub. It got the most stars that a program and a piece of software ever got on GitHub. It then went from GitHub to X to YouTube. And everyone who is in the AI space is talking about this because this is the most important piece of technology since ChatGPT. It's probably more important than ChatGPT. And yesterday, Sam Altman announced that Peter Steinberger is going to be joining the AI team. Not as a random employee, but somebody who's going to drive the next generation of AI agents. Guys, do you know what this... I just can't speak. I get so excited and I can't breathe. Do you know what this means? This means that the whole world is about to change. Everything. Every single business, every single relationship, every single bank, crypto, stocks, cryptocurrency, whatever. Everything is about to change. Every single thing is about to change. And if you're not prepared for this tidal wave that's coming, you're not going to make any money, guys. Millionaires and billionaires are going to be made from this specific piece of AI news. The tidal wave is coming, and I'm talking about generational wealth. Generational wealth is going to be made from this. No, this is not Nano Banana or Google VEO3 or any AI tool that's covered on YouTube. Why should you care? Well, ChatGPT has over 800 million people using their platform every single week, which means that the floodgates are about to be opened. Those 800 million people, maybe 0.0001% of them know that OpenClaw exists. This news just broke. And if you're watching this video right after I uploaded it, or even a year after, you're still early. In the next months and the next year, millions of people are going to discover what an AI agent is. And remember, guys, if you watched any of my other videos, the early adopters are the ones who make the most amount of money with anything, with Bitcoin, with the internet, with crypto, with stocks and bonds and Forex and commodities. If you bought gold when gold was $50 an ounce, you are a millionaire, a billionaire now. And that's not even counting what happened in China. China's biggest search engine, Baidu, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, they just introduced OpenClaw into their search engine. They have over 700 million users. This means that this technology is moving at a speed that exponentially faster than we can ever fathom. Here's the opportunity, guys. Since you're first to the game, you're first to the party, nobody knows about this technology. Millions of people will learn about this technology over the next couple of months and the next year. They're going to be Googling, or they're going to be searching in ChatGPT or Claude. What is an AI agent? How can I incorporate an AI agent into my business? How can I make money with an AI agent? The storm is coming. The flood is coming. The tidal wave is approaching. It's on the horizon. Let's get ready together. But before I get into the 3 ways, guys, I need you to understand the framework of what's going on, because once you understand this, everything else makes sense. During the gold rush, the people who got rich were not the ones digging for gold. They were the ones selling the shovels. They were selling people blue jeans and pickaxes and maps and showing people the way to the mountains. Think about it like this. There's a bar in the middle of nowhere. Everyone's inside the bar drinking, having a good time. The bar has no food. They only have drinks. Now, there's one hot dog stand outside of the bar at 4 a.m. when the bar closes. Everybody pours out of the bar at last call. Guess who's getting all the business? Yes, it's the guy that's there, prepared for the hungry people. It's supply and demand. You are that first early adopter. And it's just a hot dog stand is a weird analogy, I know, but it helps me get my point across. All right, now let's get into the 3 ways to start making money with this today. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I send you 1 email a week breaking this down in simple step-by-step ways that normal people can understand. My newsletter is completely free. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join now. We'll see you in there. This is business idea number 1, and I think this one is the easiest one to start. We're talking about Fiverr. Right now, there are millions of freelancers on Fiverr, and there has been an 18,000% increase on people searching for AI agent services on Fiverr. Here's your chance. This is the biggest signal in the history of signals that signals have ever existed. Let me show you what I mean, guys. We're on Fiverr here. We type in AI agents. Here's what it gives us. Check it out. Complex workflows, Zapier, N8N, custom N8N automation. By the way, N8N is fantastic, but with OpenClaw combined with OpenAI, N8N and Zapier and all of these AI agent programs and programs that combine different programs are going to become obsolete because AI agents are the ones making automated workflows. And think of it in a simple way like this. We used to build websites by hand. We used to have to know how to code and how to drag and drop elements and things like that. With OpenClaw can build you a website in literally 5 minutes. You tell it what you want. You tell it the theme. You tell it the type of website that you want, your business. It'll connect your email, your links, your phone number, everything. It does it in less than 5 minutes. Again, this is a personal AI assistant agent that does this for you. So check these prices out, guys. $300, $1,000 from $80. Once we click into these, look how much it goes up to. $2,500, $4,000. With your AI agent, you can literally do any service on Fiverr. There's email, there's custom email, there's websites, there's voiceovers, there's PDF creation. Anything that Fiverr offers, your agent can do it automatically. Can you imagine just being the person on Fiverr who does it all? You're the one-man show or the one-woman show. But look, graphics and design, program and tech, digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation, music and audio, business, finance. It goes on and on and on forever. Your OpenClaw combined with OpenAI in the future, I mean, obviously it's going to get a lot more powerful, can pretty much do all of these. Logo design, landing page design, app design. It can build entire apps while you sleep. All you have to do is give it an idea. This used to cost $100,000 before and a team of like 5 people. Now with OpenClaw, you can do it in less than an hour, build an entire application, build a business around app. Like, what is your imagination though? It would just, I can't even talk. I just get so excited. Look at this, guys. Video and animation, graphics and design, writing and translation. This does it all. If you have an automatic agent, an AI agent working for you, it can make you so much money on websites like Fiverr. But you can pick up these jobs. You can pick up these gigs on Fiverr, or you can teach people how to do it. Remember the analogy about selling shovels? This is it, guys. Business idea number 1 is selling these types of shovels on Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, and there's so many different platforms that you can do this on. But if you use your imagination, you have OpenClaw, and especially in the future when it links closer to OpenAI, you're going to be able to automatically complete these services for customers with your AI agent. It's just, it's so bizarre and crazy to think about. And I think in the future, websites like Fiverr and Upwork are not going to exist, guys, because the mainstream is going to catch on to this. And the mainstream is going to eventually figure out that their AI agent can design books. They can do book editing. They can do beta reading. They can do Shopify stores, e-commerce and dropshipping, and social media design and UGC videos. And they can post to their social media platform simultaneously. And their AI agent is going to do everything that anybody on Fiverr can do. So knowing that you're watching this video means that you are early to the party. It means that you are an early adopter. Take advantage of this now. Make all the money now before the market gets saturated. Here is the second idea. So when the mainstream learns about OpenClaw and OpenAI collaboration, here's what's going to happen. There's going to be millions of businesses who, by the way, are struggling. And if you've ever been a small business owner, you know that running a small business it's super hard. And a lot of times you're burnt out by the end of the day because your employees don't work hard and they're ungrateful or whatever the case may be. So when this becomes mainstream, there's going to be millions of businesses looking for answers, and they're going to be typing questions into ChatGPT like this. What is OpenClaw? What is ClawdBot? What is an AI agent? How do I incorporate this in my business? And once small business owners find out that AI agents like this can run 90% of the business, guess what? It's game over. It's game over, because the bottleneck of any business is time, and it's the employees and how much work you have to do to actually keep your business running and your business profitable. So having said that, when the floodgates open, when the tidal wave comes of business owners searching this, looking for answers, you need to be ready. You need to have courses. You need to have services on Fiverr and Upwork and your own page and your own business, and put out Facebook ads and Instagram ads and TikTok ads and YouTube ads, and have your own ecosystem and structure set up so that you can receive these customers. Guys, this is the biggest tidal wave that's coming. This piece of news is the most important piece of AI news, I think, in the history of AI, hands down. And by the way, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I break it all down on a weekly basis. It's meant for normal people like you and I to make money with AI. There's no complicated tech talk. There's no coding or JavaScript. What is even JavaScript? Nobody knows. This newsletter is meant for normal people like you and I to understand the complicated and overwhelming, confusing world of AI and how to actually make money with it today. In my newsletter, there's simple, step-by-step, broken down instructions about how to use AI tools and how to take advantage of what's going on in the AI world to make as much money as you want. Newsletter is completely free. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description. We'd love to have you a part of the AI income family. The third business idea is an automated lead machine. Now, every business in the world needs leads. The gyms, doctors, dentists, lawyers, plumbers, HVAC. That's the lifeblood of any business, is leads. And a lot of them spend thousands of dollars on Google Ads and Facebook only to get crappy leads. So look at Angie List. HVAC owners and plumbers work with a list called Angie List that gives them tons of leads, but they're low quality. Now, essentially what you can do is you can set up OpenClaw with local businesses, and you can have this automated AI agent search for leads. Not only search for quality leads, but send them emails and follow up with them and close the deal. This AI agent is so smart that it can actually text people, close deals, and it can connect to websites like 11 Labs, get its own voice, call the customer, talk to them like a normal human, and close leads. The future is here, guys. Those of you who are willing to learn this technology, learn how to make it into a lead magnet. It's crazy the possibilities with this. Make it into a lead getting machine, install it in businesses, and have it be a one-click system where a business clicks once, it goes out, it finds leads for the relevant business, it gathers emails, it scrapes emails, it collects names, business decision names, decision maker names for the business, and it sends them an email, a personalized email based on the information on the website and what it knows about them scraped from LinkedIn and X and Facebook. Personalized information for these decision maker emails for their specific business. And then it sends them a personalized email. They do outreach. They get responses. They draft replies. They reply automatically. They close the deal. So when you wake up, or when the business owners wake up, They already have leads. They already have appointments booked for plumbing and HVAC and dentists and lawyers and doctors and construction. So there's just so many opportunities here, guys. A lead getting machine. And the workflows are not complicated like programs like N8N where you need to learn how to build a workflow and this in JavaScript and Python. Who even know? What is even Python? Normal people don't know that. Normal people don't have time for JavaScript and CSS and HTML and learn all of this. Normal people, just like you and I, want to enter a single prompt inside the box, like we're talking to ChatGPT, and have that chatbot, have the AI agent automatically build a workflow, automatically build a step-by-step system that you can sell to local businesses in order for them to get as many leads as possible and make as much money. Because when a business makes money from your work and your value that you provide to them, they're going to refer you to their friends, because the best marketing is word of mouth, because the trust barrier is already gone. There's no cold calling and cold emailing and nothing like that. When John, who is the plumber on Main Street, tells Tom, who's the plumber in another city, hey, by the way, John worked with me with this AI agent. John helped install an AI agent in my system. I'm making a lot of money now. Try his service out. Well, Tom has already sold because those guys are friends and the trust barrier is gone. So once you provide massive amounts of value, which by the way, OpenClaw's sells itself, and in combination with OpenAI, oh my God, it sells itself. Once the value is there, once you proved value, guess what? You don't have to advertise anymore. You don't have to mess with a GEO, nothing, because word of mouth is the best marketing. Like I've ran businesses. I was a jeweler for many years, a graduate gemologist, buying and selling gold and diamonds and jewelry and things like this. The way that I bought gold, the way that I bought out entire estates with Tiffany diamonds and things like this is word of mouth. I got one good customer. I paid her good. I treated her well. And she recommended me to 100 of her friends. And her friends recommended me to 100 of his friends and this and that. Word of mouth sustained my business for 10 years, guys. And this technology has the ability to bring value on its own. You don't have to prove value because value is already there. So if you're able to teach businesses how to generate leads with this specific system, it's game over, guys. You can become a millionaire extremely fast. And I know in a lot of my videos, I say that, and it's true, but this is exponentially faster than any other AI tool out there. It's exponentially greater than any other AI tool out there. And probably tonight, I'm not going to be able to sleep because I'm just so excited about this, gosh darn it. And the possibilities of this are endless. Well, what's it going to be? Are you going to bury your head in the sand and hope AI doesn't steal your job? Or are you going to prepare for the tidal wave that's coming? Pretty soon, in the next months and in the next year, millions of businesses are going to search, what are AI agents? Or what is OpenClaw? Or how do I incorporate AI agents in my business? And if you are that hot dog stand outside of the bar, when the bar closes at 4 a.m. and millions of hungry people come pouring out, hungry for knowledge, hungry to make money with AI agents, you're going to be there to teach them, to show them, to sell your services to these business guys. Listen, this is not a side hustle. This is not making a couple of $100,000 and call it quits. This is generational wealth. Generational wealth. This has the possibility to make you millions, maybe billions of dollars. Who knows? Learn about AI agents, sign up to my free newsletter, stay ahead of the curve. The early adopters are the ones who make the most amount of money. Remember Bitcoin, remember Shiba Inu, remember Tesla stock and Google stock and Nvidia. The people who found out about these first are the millionaires, but not only who found out about them first. It's the people who found out and actually took action, massive action. Hope you liked the video, guys. Subscribe, like the video, and newsletter, link in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.